family, this is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful detox recipe drink for you today. So to all of you who are overweight and have that large abdomen, today I brought to you a wonderful solution to get rid of the extra weight on your body. It's going to slim you down. Now let's talk about some of the ingredients you're going to need for this drink. You're going to need at least 4 to 5 leaves of mint leaves. You're also going to need a piece of ginger root. If you have ginger powder, you can use that as well. And you're going to also need some Cummin seeds, okay, as well as some green tea. Now if you got the green tea bags, that's good. This is the actual tea leaves, okay. This one is very strong, so you get a lot more coming out of that, as well as a 1.5 cups of your water. Now in this, you're also going to need a pan, because what we're going to do is we're going to heat this up. Alright, so we're going to boil our water to get that nice and heated. So you're going to put your water into your pan, and we're going to bring that to a boil. While our water is boiling, we're going to add inside of our pot some of the main ingredients that we're going to need. Okay, now this recipe calls for a teaspoon of ginger. So if you have ginger powder, that would be wonderful. But if not, the ginger root is even better, because you're getting the actual juice extracts from the ginger root. So we're going to put a teaspoon. This is a little more than a teaspoon, more like a tablespoon. But I like ginger, so I'm going to put that in there anyways. So you're going to put your ginger in there, as well as your mint leaf. Okay, we're going to pop everything in there. Next, we're going to put in our Cummin seed. Now with the Cummin seed, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of that. And then lastly, we're going to also put in 1 teaspoon of our green leaves, or green tea leaves. Okay, and we're going to boil this for at least 10 minutes. We're going to turn that onto a medium-low flame. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so we are finished. So here it is, your fat-burning drink. This is going to slim you down. It's going to burn the fat off your body. And it is ready. So now what we're going to do is, you're going to need your favorite cup, your little teacup, and a strainer, because we're going to strain the content. So you're going to pour it carefully inside your cup. And this is some strong formula right here. And what you can do is you drink this 3 times a day before every meal, and you're going to see results in your body. So enjoy this drink and let me know how you enjoyed it down below. And until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.